Hello and welcome to JLM University. My name is Paul and today I'm going to show you how to pair your accessories to the PowerPole Move PV. Start by pressing the left and the right on your hybrid remote control to open a pairing window. And you will hear a tone and your nav head will light up teal. And now press both anchor buttons to pair your remote. You will hear a tone confirming that the remote control has been paired. Next, we will pair the display to the PowerPole Move PV. Start by waving the magnet over the right side of the display. The display will light up and start to flash. Now press the left and the right on your hybrid remote to pair the display. You will hear a tone confirming that the display has been paired. And that is how you pair your accessories to the PowerPole Move PV. Thank you for watching.